Just wouldn't get it. Weird crystal ball thing. And Mint, where are you going? Oh, I didn't really want you to find out like this, but I'm quitting and I'm just, leaving, I guess. Quitting? After everything I've done for you? I took you in and I fed you, Mint. This is how you repay me? I actually buy my own food, so I don't know what you're talking about. Well, where are you even going to go to? No one's gonna hire a villain. Actually, I got hired at Walmart, so yeah. Walmart. Walmart. Of all places, Walmart. You know that place has a rat infestation, right? So does this place. No, yes, 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 no, yes. Alright, well, I'm just gonna leave now.